Hello, my name is Jake Whitaker, and today I'm going to be discussing 3D printing in Germany. But first, what is 3D printing? Well, 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. The creation of 3D printed objects is achieved using additive processes. In an additive process, an object is created by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. Each of these layers can be seen as a thinly sliced cross-section of the object. 3D printing enables you to produce complex shapes using less material than traditional manufacturing methods. So, who in Germany is using 3D printing? Well, Germany's Fraunhofer Society is right now at the forefront of developments in the applied field of additive production. The German companies that are part of this society are involved in the development, application, and implementation of additive production processes, as well as associated materials. Some of these big 3D printing companies in Germany include SLM Solutions, Envision Tech, Big Rep, Nanoscribe, and others as well. So why are they using 3D printing in Germany? Well, it's been shown that 3D printing technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way things are made, expanding design freedom, reducing time to market, bringing production closer to demand, and as well as improving industrial sustainability. So where in Germany are they using 3D printing? Well, if we look at a map, we can see that there are companies using 3D printing all over Germany. There are some cities housing 3D printing technologies, and these include Berlin, Dusseldorf, Dresden, and Freiburg. So when are they using 3D printing in Germany? Well, Germany has already had a strong tradition of manufacturing and industry, and is actually a leader among developed countries. And Germany was part of the development of 3D printing technology from early on. So since 3D printing's implementation, Germany's been involved. But since then, Germany has been offering optimal conditions for startup companies developing new additive manufacturing technologies. This is thanks to a plethora of universities and research institutions that conduct 3D printing research or access to the technology. There's also increasing capital funds investing in the additive manufacturing startups. So they're going to be using 3D printing in Germany well into the future, as it's already a major part of their industry there. So how are they applying 3D printing to solve issues related to the UN 17 Sustainable Development Goals? Well, one way we can see this, and though it may not be widely implemented in Germany, I think that it could be used in a widespread in the future, is that they actually used 3D printing to print a house in 2020. There was a German company called Peri, or P-E-R-I GmbH, that started this process. And now that they have done this, 3D printing technology for residential construction is now market ready. This would be great to address the UN Sustainable Development Goal number 3, which is good health and well-being. Shelter is a very important part of good health and well-being, and we could see this 3D printing strategy used in maybe more developing countries to sort of put up quick concrete shelters. So again, that's not really necessarily widespread, but it would be useful in the future. Now, I'm going to close this video out with two truths and a lie about 3D printing in Germany. Germany is Europe's #1 market for industrial and consumer 3D printing. Germany is especially strong in metal 3D printing. Around 1 in 5 large German industrial companies currently use 3D printing, and 2 of 3 companies already experienced the use of 3D printing technologies. So that is 3D printing in Germany. Thank you for watching.